What's up, chaps, lads, lasses? We are going for a little hike today. It's the first nice day of the year. It's the UK. We're mid-April already. Today we're going to be having a little walk up the Wrekin in Shropshire. It's just a big hill, but I thought I'd take the opportunity while the weather's nice to show you some of the cool features on the drone. You know, just show off what it can do. Kind of give you a bit of a glimpse of what's to come for the year ahead. So after this we're going to be going to Rochester, Roman City, which will go live after this one, and then probably do Stafford Castle, which will be a members video, because I don't think it's long enough to be a public channel video. Anyway, I'll see you halfway up or towards the top of the hill, and we can have a little play around with the drone. Later, see you there. Alright, I'm about halfway up. I am so unfit, and I stupidly brought my stupid little slip-on shoes again. If you can see through there, you probably can't, might be able to zoom in. We're flipping high up already, and we're not even like 2/3 of the way up. It's cool. I love nature, I love being outdoors, but I need to sort my fitness out if I'm going to do this regularly. Anyway, oh, see you at the top. God, I'm fat. Oh, holy crap. Oh, this is too hard. Oh, almost there. Oh. This is cool though. Well worth doing, even though it almost kills me. So yeah, we made it to the top. The Wrekin, for those who don't know, is in Shropshire, just south of Telford. It's about 350 metres above sea level. And as you can see, it's beautiful. So it used to be a hill fort back in sort of Anglo-Saxon times. This hill was used to look out up against tribes and stuff coming over from Wales. And now it's just farmland. But it's bloody beautiful. Can't really tell you much more about that than the views are phenomenal. Cue some B-roll. Anyway, hope you liked the video. I'm on my way down. Thankfully, gravity will just make me roll down the hill, so I won't have to have another heart attack. Yeah, there's not a lot to say about this. It's only a short, sharp video. I couldn't find any information about what the hill or the fort was used for, particularly online. But yeah, it used to be an old sort of Norman Anglo-Saxon fort to monitor the tribe movements and stuff like that. Yeah, we're just south of Telford, so if you want to come, then please do, because the UK is beautiful, as I keep saying. Hope you liked the video, and I shall check you back in the next one. See you later.